Hello YouTube! Welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. This is going to be a short update of the hashtag Mustang 60s group build. I took time off to honor my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ this weekend, so I don't have a large update to do, but I hope everyone understands. I'd like to give a shout out to Mike at Scale Speedworks for hosting this group build. There's that iconic Mustang running horse logo with the big 60. And my inspiration for this build, an SVO convertible that was made out of a Turbo GT. So here I've gone ahead and assembled the engine components, and I gave it a coat of aluminum spray. And here's the turbocharger, the air cleaner, and the intake manifolds. Everything in a metallic black. And then I'll accent with some flat black for the steering pump, power steering pump, and do some highlighting on some other areas of the engine. Here's a look at the interior as I start to do the gauge cluster. I have it sitting in place. Let's see if we can get a look at it. The GT350 and the Mustang GTs had a very unique plastic applique on the dash panels. They had simulated Allen screws that held everything in place. So I've tried to replicate that here, and I'll try to get a better look at that. In around the speedometer and the tachometer, they had angles cut in. So I've done the best I could with hand painting and detailing those items into the dash assembly. The black steering wheel and the T5 shifter handle are in place. But I see that I went ahead and forgot the emergency brake, so I needed to go ahead and get that in place. But I promise everything will come together in the end. So trying to get a good interior shot of the dashboard and gauge cluster. It's probably one of the better views there. Try to get it from the side. You might be able to see that angular area between the speedometer and the tachometer that I was talking about. Again, just a lot of detailing, but one detail that I forgot about, and I always do something to mess up, was cutting out the air-to-air intercooler hood scoop hole in the hood. I went ahead, I had everything painted, and sure as can be, I messed it up and I had to strip the hood, but luckily just the hood on this build. I went ahead and cut the hole with my X-Acto knife and gave it a wet sand and another coat of paint. So I'm pleased with the way it turned out. I think it looks much better than painting the closed-in area. Here's a sneak peek of what I have to this point. Stay tuned for further updates, and as we close in on that April 17th finale and the Mustang 60th anniversary. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Have a safe and blessed day. God bless and take care.